Welcome back to the vlog, everyone. Hope you are all doing amazing. Come here, Duders. You want to come up here? Say hello? Duders wants to say hello to the vlog. Say hello. We just got back from a little bit of a walk. Oh, by the way, welcome to Vlogust, day 9. We just got back from a little walk, so he's a little bit tired. And of course, whenever he sees me getting out the camera, he always kind of gets nervous. It's almost like he doesn't know like who I'm talking to and stuff like that. And he just literally stares at me the whole entire time while I'm talking to the camera. So we're just gonna talk to the vlog for a few minutes, okay? And put you down. Today has been kind of a crazy day and I didn't really get a chance to vlog that much. I spent the day literally working the majority of the day because I had to get a job out the door, and you know, that's not really exciting vlog stuff. But what was exciting was when I came back from my walk with the dog. I usually check my mailbox because I usually take him, you know, right around between 3 and 4 o'clock, and that's when the mailman comes. So I went to the mailbox and I had something in my mailbox, and it was kind of like I was happy, but then I was mad. And I'll explain why in a minute. So I opened my mailbox and I got this in the mail. For those of you who are familiar with my main channel, you know that I recently did a video, BoxyCharm unboxing, and that was like my last BoxyCharm. Well, I was happy to see that it got in the mail, that it came in my mailbox, because, you know, who doesn't like to open up a box of makeup, right? But I was mad because I honestly thought I had canceled it, because I don't really need any more makeup. Like, I have, like right now I'm in my new room that I'm in the process of setting up, that's gonna kind of like be like my makeup room, changing room, that kind of thing. And I have makeup all over my floor right now. I would show you, but I'm too embarrassed to show you. Sorting through the stuff that I want to keep, that I want to give away, putting it together in my new makeup vanity set. I am sitting on my new chair. I'll give you a sneak peek of my new chair. It's like a white leather chair, so that might give you a hint along with the walls as to what the theme is inside this room. But what I thought I would do is I thought I would just open this up and kind of show you guys what I got in this month's BoxyCharm. So let's get going. Totally is the theme, I guess, for this month. I'm not gonna look at prices or anything yet, and I'm not even gonna look down at the box. I'm just literally gonna pull them out. The first item is from Ace Beauty. Now I have to look to see exactly what it is. And it is a Glimmer Shadow Duo. Let me see if I can get you a close-up in here on this one. And this is really pretty. I don't know why they say it's a duo. Is it just me? It only looks like it's one color, but let me know in the comments below. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's very, very, yeah, very, very glittery and shimmery. So it's very pretty. It almost comes off like a peachy color on your skin. So that's item number 1. Oh, here's the duo, because there's 2 of them. There's the second color. I was like, why is it saying duo? Let's swatch this quick. Oh, that's a pretty pink. It is a pretty pink. So that's what it is. It's they almost feel, if you are familiar with the ColourPop eyeshadows that kind of have that spongy, moist type texture to it, that's what these are. These are, I would say, dupes of the ColourPop eyeshadows. So keep an eye out for the Ace Beauty. They sell for $25 MSRP. Okay, next item is from Wander Beauty, and it is a Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This is going to be interesting. It has like an oil. Ooh. Oh, this is interesting. So it goes on, you're not going to be able to see it, but it goes on like a clear and it leaves like a shimmer to it. Yeah, that is awesome. It says this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin. Oh, so it's like a primer oil. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try this out because it feels really, really nice. So, and that MSRP is $42. The next one is from Tarte, and it is, ooh, I love Tarte, and it is their Big Ego mascara. And I go through mascara a lot. I wear a lot of mascara. Actually, I have, oh God, I love the packaging on that. And let's check out the wand. I like this type of wand, so that's awesome. Can't wait to give this a try. Love that from Tarte. We have a Steve Laurent lip liner. I think it's this brownish color that's on the tip. And that's an MSRP for $15. And the last item is from Becca. And it is their Hydra Mist and Refreshing, the Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. Powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. This is the last item, so let's take, I love Becca. I love Becca highlighters. I love the Becca bronzer I use all the time on a daily basis. So this is awesome from Becca to get the Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. So yeah, so that is my surprise that I got in my mailbox today. I don't have much going on this evening. I think I'm just gonna decompress for a while. So I am going to end this vlog for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next vlog. Bye guys.